Hey, learning community. It is just a little bit before noon on Friday, and I've heard from a couple of students this morning, yesterday, um, and they had some really excellent questions that I thought that I would share with the whole class. So please watch this video. It'll be short, and it's just going to go over a couple of requirements related to the personal learning history. So first off, you will need to upload the video to YouTube. And you can do that a number of ways. You can come up to the create button and upload you can record the video on your phone, or perhaps Zoom or Screencast-O-Matic works wonderful as well. There are ways to do it through YouTube, but I think that there's an add-on, at least from what I've seen the tutorials. You're also going to need to make it public. And you can do that right down here through visibility. There is an unlisted option, and you're welcome to use that if you would like. That may be a hang up though, especially when it comes to uploading it to your portfolio and that link embedding correctly. So public for now is fine, because we're really only going to be pointing the people that we want to see toward it. So a note about the tone and the rhetoric used. So I have the assignment right here, and we know that there's a script attached, okay? So the script is there as a guiding lines, and I would recommend perhaps coming in right into this Word document and adding some of my own points for talking, because 3 minutes, this video does need to be 3 minutes. 3 minutes is actually super short. I commend anyone that can make a video under 3 minutes. It's tough. So you're probably going to have to record this a few times. Give yourself a draft and then an edit and a final version. We're not looking for perfection, but one note is one of your classmates, one of your peers brought this up. You know, what is the level of sharing? What is appropriate? So I just want to make a note. Whenever we're at college level, we're doing college level work, we need to have an academic tone. And what I mean by that is that this will be shared with your peers. And when we are all in the classroom, so to speak, virtually or in person, we are using we're involved in the scholarly conversation. So that means that we need to keep the content, and we need to use language that is appropriate for our peers. And if we're all looking to learn something from each other, then that's the sort of content that we're looking to highlight. That's the kind of content that we're looking to share. So use that as a guideline. If you're feeling a little lost or not sure what you want to talk about, you don't have to actually stick to what you wrote. If your personal learning history, you want to talk about a point of time that you learned from your family, or that you learned while going to college or getting into college. So you can reframe. And then your peer share portion, finding that golden line. It can be, a whole line, it can be 2 lines, but you do need to offer a bit of observation about it. How did it make you feel? Did you relate to it? And then finally, with your conclusion, this is where you find that common thread, right? And that common thread can be finding that that piece or line from your introduction, from your personal learning history, relating it to your peer, and then finally summarizing it in the conclusion. Okay, so that is it. And I'm working hard to get everything done before the holiday weekend, because it's going to be hot. So stay cool out there, everyone, and please feel free to contact me with any questions. All right, see you soon.